Ha?
Public school
Anong school
po.
nga?
Hindi ko po...
Ay, Mr. Chairman, again, Cassandra Ong is lying. Pwede ba yun? Na hindi mo alam kung saan school ka na-enroll for the ALS? Oo. Baka hindi ka nag-ALS. Baka sa ibang bansa ka nag-aral. Mr. Chairman, before I proceed with Ms. Aka Alisgo, I will direct my question to Ms. Cassandra Ong. Ms. Cassandra, during the previous hearing, when you were asked by the members of this committee about your educational attainment, sabi mo po nag-ALS ka, di ba? Yung nag-ALS ka, tama?
Opo.
Anong taon yun nag-ALS ka? Huwag mo sabihin na you double check naman. Pwede ba makalimutan mo kung nag-ALS ka, wala? At saka anong taon?
2016?
2016?
Hindi ko po sigurado kung ano yung exact year. 2017.
How old are you now?
24 po.
Oh, that is 8 years ago. So, you're 16 years old at the time. Nung nag-ALS ka?
Around 16, 17 yata.
Okay. What school?
I forgot na, Mr. Chair.
Oh,
Public school po siya.
ha?
Public school
Anong school
po.
nga?
Hindi ko po...
Ay, Mr. Chairman, again, Cassandra Ong is lying. Pwede ba yun? Na hindi mo alam kung saan school ka na-enroll for the ALS? Oo. Baka hindi ka nag-ALS. Baka sa ibang bansa ka nag-aral.
Pwede po masabi.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, hindi po. Nag-ALS po ako, it's parang ilang beses lang po ako pumasok. Pero around like sa...
Sabi mo nag-ALS ka tapos ngayon ilang beses ka lang pumasok. Tinatanong kita ngayon kung anong school. Ay, bakit incriminating ba yung tanong ko?
Hindi po, Mr.
Oo.
Chair. Hindi ko lang po sigurado kung ano ang pangalan ng school.
Eh, pwede ba yun? You're lying. You're lying, Ms. Cassandra Ong. Remember, you're now cited, previously you're cited in contempt, and I will once again cite you in contempt for lying. Hindi mo alam school? Kasi alam ko na hindi mo sasagutin kasi yung next question is, papakuha ko yung record mo kaagad-agad. Alam mo na yun, kaya hindi mo sasagutin. Oh,
Hindi po, Mr. Chair. Hindi ko lang po talaga matandaan.
hindi nga eh. Kahit sino tanungin mo dito,
Mr.
alam
Chair.
nila kung saan sila nag-elementary, sila nag-high school, saan sila nag-aral.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman ako.
with your indulgence, Mr. Chair,
Ayun may time to,
no, I just want to ask Miss Ong. Ako po yung matanda na eh, pero alam ko pa rin kung saan ako nag-graduate ng elementary school. Alam ko rin kung anong buwan at taon ako kinasal. Tapos ikaw, batang-bata ka pa, hindi mo alam kung saan ka nagtapos. Anak ng tinapay naman, oo. Ay, mapipilitan akong i-second yung susunod ni Honorable Paduano.
Oh, Ms. Cassandra Ong.
I-double check ko lang po.
Oh, yun, hindi, I will not accept that answer of yours.
But,
Eto, yung mamamayan nanonood sa atin. Lahat dito nandito. Alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-graduate elementary, di ba? Alam nyo kung saan kayo nag-graduate high school? Alam nyo kung nag-ALS kayo, saan kayo nag-ALS?
Ako alam po, Mr. Chair.
O, alam mo, di ba? Hindi naman may edad lang, pero hindi matanda. Si Chairman Abante, alam niya. Why you're asking your lawyer?
Check.
Bakit mo ba check? Ay, hindi, Mr. Chairman. Isang tanong pa lang to. Miss Alice Go, ang dami, Cassandra Ong, ang dami pa akong tatanungin sa iyo. But, Mr. Chairman, with that, once again, I move to cite in contempt Miss Cassandra Ong for not answering the question of this representation in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, Paragraph C of our internal rules.
Second, ako.
There is a motion to cite in contempt Ms. Cassandra Leong for violating Section 11, Paragraph C of the Rules of the House. Any second? Duly seconded. Any objections? No objections. The motion is approved. She is now cited in contempt, the second time.
Second motion, Mr. Chairman, from any members.
Mr. Chair?
There was a second. Yes, Congressman Akop.
Since Ms. Cassandra Ong was already cited in contempt, may I move that she be detained sa Correctional Institute for Women if our detention facilities would already be full. So move, Mr. Chair.
Second. There is a motion to detain Ms. Cassandra Ong at the Women's Correctional Center. Duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Chairman.
Third motion.
Wala nang third, second na, Mr. Chair. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, ganito lang po, yun lang po first question ko kanina. But alam ko po, kanina pa, when Cassandra Ong was asked by Congressman Pimentel, alam mo kasi, yung mga tinatanong kanina ni Chairman Pimentel was already on record. Miss Cassandra Ong. And during the time when we asked Miss Macarinas, nandiyan ka. And you never denied the statement of Miss Macarinas. Ang gusto lang po, Congressman Pimentel, na ulitin if you are cooperating or you're still lying. Now, Mr. Chairman, I would just like to ask, but of course, hindi na ito sasagutin ni Miss Cassandra Ong. Mr. Chairman, is the Deputy City Prosecutor that filed a case against Cassandra Ong and the DOJ Banban Composite Team is present?
Yes, I think they're
Good evening,
present.
Mr. Chair.
Please identify yourself.
Deputy City Prosecutor Benjamin Sampson, Your Honor.
Have you taken your oath?
Not yet, Your Honor.
Comsec, please administer the oath of Deputy Prosecutor.
Please stand, sir. Yes, and please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this congressional inquiry? Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Anyway, sir, ganito po, attorney. Kung nasusundan niyo po yung mga tanong ng mga kasama namin dito kanina, addressed to Ms. Cassandra Ong, he was asked about question of some financial matters, particularly the whirlwind investment that was asked by Doro Namor Flores. And she was also asked by Congressman Adjong kanina with regards to the payments and established agreement and payments with regards to Whirlwind and Lucky South 999. And the answer of Cassandra Ong is she invoked her right to serve incrimination. Now, question. Kasi daw, there's a case now with regards to money laundering. Now, tanong ko po, is Cassandra Ong has a case as of now that was filed by the prosecutor or the DOJ with regards to financial matters on Whirlwind and Lucky South 999?
First, I need to clarify, Mr. Chair. There is a pending case for money laundering against Guo Ping, which includes Cassandra Ong as respondent. But it was filed by the NBI, AMLC, and PAO. It's now pending preliminary investigation before the Department of Justice.
In relation to what Pogo?
Based on the complaint filed by the three complainants, Your Honor, there was a link made between Bamban and Porac Pogo operations. So the transaction involving Cassandra Ong is not necessarily connected to the Porac operation, but because of the conspiratorial acts between Bamban and Porac operations.
But to be specific, there is no case with regards to Whirlwind and Lucky South 999.
There is one, Your Honor, the qualified trafficking
No,
persons.
yung question of money laundering.
None so far, Your Honor.
None
But I
so far.
believe, based on the information we have, our law enforcement agencies are conducting their case build-up, and I believe they're also planning to file a money laundering case for the Porac operations.
But as of now, wala pong kaso.
Wala pa po.
Okay. That is why, Mr. Chairman, I just want to establish that Miss Cassandra Ong is lying when she was asked by Congressman Adjong and Congressman Akit Flores with regards to investment of Whirlwind and the payment on the sublease agreement between Whirlwind and Lucky South. So again, I'd like to establish, to reiterate that on that issue, Miss Cassandra Ong again is lying. Because walang kaso with regards to money laundering doon sa Whirlwind and doon sa Lucky South. And sabi nga ni attorney, they're contemplating, may case build up pa and they're contemplating to file a case. Money laundering case against Cassandra Ong on that matter. Tama po.
Correct, Your Honor. So at present, it remains speculative with respect to the actual transactions that will be included in the complaint.
Tama. So again, Mr. Chairman, for the record, yung second question ko sana address to Cassandra Ong, but wala siya, but I know he will not answer that. She will not answer that because that was the question raised by Kong Adjong and Kong Flores. Now, let me proceed na lang po dun sa kanina po, Mr. Chairman, dun sa motion with regards to the contempt order for Miss Alice Go. And for the information of the Honorable Committee, I have with me a copy of an order coming from Branch 282, Regional Trial Court, Bulwagan, Branch 282 Regional Trial Court in Valenzuela City. Now, Mr. Chairman, this subpoena is addressed to the PNP Custodial Service Unit for Miss Alice Go to be present tomorrow on a pre-trial and arraignment. Can we ask the head of the PNP Custodial Unit, in which, can you take your seat, please, Colonel? Please state your name.
Good evening, Your Honor. I am Police Colonel Paul Gamido from the Headquarters Support Service.
Have you taken your oath,
Not yet, Your Honor.
Chairman?
Comsec, please administer the oath.
There will be a hearing for Miss Alice Go.
Yes, Your Honor, we received an order from Branch 282 RTC Valenzuela City directing the Headquarters Support Service to bring the accused Alice Go before the said court for the scheduled arraignment and pretrial, Your Honor.
Matanong ko lang po, ano ba sitwasyon doon sa custodial facility ng PNP? Yung pinaglalagyan kay Miss Alice Go, air condition ba? How big is the space?
Yes, Your Honor. Considering considering Your Honor na yung mga nadidetain sa custodial facility are high risk saka high profile na detainees, so we have a 24/7 security doon sa compound ng
Sandali po, you're not answering my question, Colonel. Tanong ko lang po, hindi pa ako pupunta doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
At tinatanong ko po, anong kondisyon ng room o detention cell or facility na inilalagay si Cassandra Ong? Alice Go.
Your Honor, sa condition po ni Ms. Alice Go, meron po treated po siya as a regular or ordinary person deprived of liberty. Meron po siyang isang room, maliit na room, meron siyang isang higaan, meron siyang isang ceiling fan, at sa loob ng maliit na room na yun, Your Honor, doon na rin po yung comfort room niya, Your Honor.
Do you allow her to have her cell phone?
Please, can you repeat, Your Honor?
Pinapayagan niyo ba na may cellphone si Cassandra Ong?
Your Honor.
Alice Go.
Strictly prohibited, Your Honor, lahat po ng electronic gadgets, Your Honor, to include yung cell phones and radios and other electronic gadgets, Your Honor.
Sa ngayon, sigurado ka wala siyang cellphone.
Yes, Your Honor.
Miss Alice Go, wala kang cellphone.
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
So, hindi siya pinapayagan ng tumawag. Yung visitation pala,
Yes, Your Honor.
schedule, paano?
During weekdays, Your Honor, ang schedule po ng visitation is from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And during weekdays, Your Honor, it will start from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
From 1 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, Your Honor. During weekdays, Your Honor.
Weekends,
Weekends, Your Honor, it will start from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., Your Honor.
paano yung security niya papunta rito? Kasi, as mentioned by Miss Alice Go, may threat siya. Ilan ba yung security na dala niya dito sa kanya?
Your Honor, ang security package for the movement of PUPC Alice Go is composed of 45 all PNP personnel, Your Honor.
45.
45, Your Honor.
So, the government is spending that much for Miss Alice Go with 45 security escort. That is the directive coming from your higher-ups.
That is the regular security package every time we have a movement of the persons under PNP custody, Your Honor.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, let me ask na po, Mr. Chairman, that the SAA or representative of SAA will visit and check the facility in which Ms. Go is now detained in the PNP custodial facility.